Hey everybody, so we're back now with our waxed piece of rib knit fabric. It's pretty solid. I haven't tried to stretch it or anything. I thought I would try to use it on the ramekin first, and then I would try and yank around on the fabric a bit to see how it stretches. So just gonna do the regular kind of making it stick down. So this is the first time it's been folded. It's really quite chunky. It's not thin at all. It's holding quite a lot of wax, actually. Okay, so that's a little chunky. Not great. Not bad, though. If I were to mess around with it a little bit more, I'm sure it would work a little better. Okay, so now I'm going to see how it stretches, or if it stretches at all. Okay, so kind of reminds me of like fruit leather. Oh, there we go. Totally reminds me of fruit leather. Okay, so now it's kind of a pretty distorted looking. But it does stretch out a bit. It's not too bad. Now that I've stretched it, I think it would be easier to use. Definitely stretches differently width-wise with the rib. Okay. Yeah, it really does feel like and reminds me of fruit leather. Okay, so well, it definitely molds and sticks down much nicer now that it's been stretched out. But, you know, I don't know that I would necessarily use rib knit fabric to do my own wraps again. It's not bad. If that's all I had and I was in a tight spot, I might go ahead with it. It's not a fail, but it's not really a win. It's not bad though. So I made one earlier. And I'd stretched it out, and it's been in the fridge for a couple hours, and it's sticking down not bad.